In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transaction classes in QuickBooks Online. Classes are a powerful way to categorize your transactions for cleaner reporting. Think of them as custom buckets you can use to track parts of your business, like different departments, product lines, locations, or projects. Once classes are turned on, you'll be able to tag invoices, bills, and other transactions so your profit and loss by class report tells a clear story about where money is coming from and where it's going. Let's start by enabling the feature. Look to the top right of your QuickBooks Online screen and click the gear icon. From there, select Account and Settings. This is your company-level control panel. In the menu on the left, open the Advanced tab. Scroll until you find the option labeled Track Classes. Turn that on, and make sure to click Save so your change sticks. If you don't see this option, you may need admin access or a QuickBooks plan that supports class tracking. With class tracking enabled, let's set up the list of classes you'll use. Click the gear icon again at the top right. This time, choose All Lists. On the All Lists page, select Classes. This brings you to the Classes Center, where you'll see any existing classes and, over time, every class you've used to categorize your accounting transactions. It's a central place to review and manage your class structure. To create your first class, click New at the top right. You'll be prompted to enter a name. Keep it clear and consistent with how you think about your business. For example, you might use names like North Region, Online Sales, Consulting, or Events, whatever matches how you want to view performance. Avoid abbreviations that only one person understands. The goal is to make reports intuitive for anyone who needs to read them. When you're happy with the name, click Save. That's it. Your class is ready to use. From now on, when you create or edit transactions such as invoices, expenses, bills, or journal entries, you'll see a class field. Choose the appropriate class so those amounts roll into the correct category on your reports. If a transaction spans multiple classes, consider splitting the lines so each portion is tagged accurately. As your needs evolve, you can return to the Classes page to add more classes or refine your naming. A simple, well-thought-out list will keep your reporting clean and your decisions easier. And that's how to create transaction classes in QuickBooks Online. Enable Track Classes, open the Classes list, add a new class, and save.